The intentional foul, Rule 19.4.3. In our NFHS rulebook, this reads, Section 19 Foul, Article 3. An intentional foul is a personal foul which neutralizes an opponent's obvious advantageous position. Contact away from the ball, or when not making a legitimate attempt to play the ball or a player, specifically designed to stop or keep the clock from starting, shall be intentional. Intentional fouls may or may not be premeditated and are not based solely on the severity of the act. A foul also shall be ruled intentional if while playing the ball a player causes excessive contact with an opponent. We're going to take a couple of looks at contact that may or may not be intentional. Here we'll see that the defense pushes the player out of bounds with both hands. This is a non-basketball play, includes excessive contact, and must be called intentional foul. Here's another example of an intentional foul. We have two players under the basket trying to get a rebound. The offense grabs the defensive player and throws him to the ground. The official sees this, initially calls a hold, and correctly upgrades his foul call to an intentional foul. This excessive contact must be called intentional. Our last example here will test our judgment as to whether or not this is an actual intentional foul. We have two players in the post fighting for position. The offense hooks and throws the defensive player. This excessive contact may or may not be determined to be intentional. It is, however, excessive and must be called, at the minimum, a common foul. At the maximum, intentional.